All right, welcome everyone. So have you been wondering why family and friends don't patronize you? I'm not saying they don't patronize you, but some of them want it for free, or it's me now, one name, my sister, my can't you give me this thing for this price? Have you wondered? Think about that and let's continue. Yes, have you wondered about, have you thought of that before? So welcome to Genesis channel. Here we talk about here in this channel about how to make money online, business growth, and Facebook ads and so on. So actually, right on my thumbnail, I'll be talking about 2 keys to business growth, and I'll be saying that at the last part of this video. First of all, I'll be telling you the reason why some of us, our business are not growing the way it should grow. All right, some of the things hindering these things, some of the things hindering this growth. Then at the end, I will tell you the 2 keys. The 2 keys to this business growth. The 2 keys to this business growth. Please don't even miss any parts. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last one, the 2, because after talking about the reason why it's not growing the way it should grow, and I will tell you the 2 keys. I can't afford to miss these 2 keys. All right. First of all, one of the reasons why our business are not growing, some of us, is because we focus on our friends and family. Yes, you will see somebody will be saying, you'll be depending on your friends to come and patronize you. You'll be depending on your family to come and patronize you. Yes, but for you to grow in business, you don't need to look at that. Yes, don't look at that. Another reason why some persons, their business are not growing the way they should grow is looking at high profit margin. You want to post something, you are targeting. Maybe now you know that, maybe for example now you see something of maybe you can buy something for 5,000. Then you want to make sales. You now say 5,000. I'll put 10,000. Or I'll put 20,000. If they don't want to buy it, them sabi. I'll post it like that. So let me just, because I also run a product group, let me use mine as a case study. And then maybe I'll now say, let me put 20,000. Then you know that when you put that, people are not they're not at a place. People have the way they are also in your group is the same way they are in other person's groups. They are not only in your groups. They are not only in your group. Then when you now post it, you will post. Nobody asks you, madam, how far? Waiting, they say, how much? Then you now get frustrated. You now say, in short, I beg, this thing is not for me. I'm not sure business is really for me. I beg, I don't think so. Business is for me. And let me just stop it and look for something else. Let me go and not knowing that you're making some mistakes. So that's why I said I'll be telling you 2 keys at the end of this video. So these are the things you should look out for. Yes. Another thing, can you tell me how many times you've posted? Have you been consistent? Have you? Yes, have you been consistent in posting? If you've been consistent in posting, let's know. Because some of us will not even post. Some we just post and maybe people did not answer, or they did not come up the way. You now feel bad. Another thing you should ask yourself before posting, are you, even you yourself, the way you talk to your customers, you need to the way you organize your group, will it attract someone to come and patronize you? Yes, these are the things you should ask. All right. If you've not liked this video, do want to like this video. If you've not subscribed, do want to hit the subscribe button. Let me just quickly go to the 2 major keys. The 2 major keys to business growth. Yes, actually, some might say, this one telling us business growth. What's happen? How many business we should don't grow? Well, by God's grace, I know I'm with my own little experience, at least it can help some persons. All right. So the first thing you should do, the number one key to business growth, don't sell to your friends and families. Sell to strangers. Advertise to strangers. Friends and families can always come and say, babe, I want this. You can on your own, yes, I want this. You sell to them, but let them not be your selling point. Don't go and be disturbing them. Auntie, you've not bought this from me. Uncle, you've not bought this from your business point. People you should focus on are strangers. Strangers are your market base. Strangers are your market base for business, not your friends and families. That's why you see so many persons, when you run ads, you see that you make more sales than when you are going around and begging people. You don't beg people to patronize. All right, so focus on attracting strangers. They are the one who will patronize you big time. Because even friends, they might even look down on you. This person selling this, are you sure it will work? No, this is my sister. Are you sure this thing she said is original? They will look down on you. But strangers will give you respect. When you post, they will, follow up, because they don't even know you. Yes. Now, another thing you should consider is, don't focus on too much profit margin. Focus on turnover. Because quantity is the key. Numbers, game of numbers now is the key to business growth. Have you wondered all these boys in Onitsha, but you just come, hey, you just. I was at a place when he was talking about two businessmen talking, and one of them mentioned something and said that his 2 containers was sold out in a day, and he said he was listening to them, and the person was even telling me, see you. Then the other one said, please say, you know how much I put? I added one naira. They say, they slowly might hear him and say, it's been 1 naira. Not knowing that 2 containers, he has made over 10 M. He has made over 10 million. One naira. Do you know how many items in that container? He said once he lands, that even they wait for him to land. Once it lands, they will just, some people even book before the containers will land. Once it lands, they will just rush it. And once they just rush it, he sold out. He will just sell out immediately and recover his bulk money immediately with the profit. Why some persons will say, I know of some persons will tell you, I better go. This thing I'm selling, I'm using 10,000 to sell it. Whether they like it or not, don't buy it, they should leave it. It will stay there. 2 months, you are still selling one thing. They've not petrol, it's never finished. 3 months, you are still selling one thing. You never finish. You still there. Why the person that understand this game of numbers, sharp, will just, add maybe little margin and sell out. That's one of the strategy I use for my own business. I run pre-order group, and some person will say, Mama, you just post this thing before you know what's happening. You don't meet up MOQ. Why? I use game of numbers. I believe in quantity because I believe in turnover. You'll be surprised that you even make more than the person holding to itself, to him or herself, and saying, I want to make this huge profit. Yes. Like I remember this B3 oil moving around when I brought it to my group. In short, other groups I see them selling for 3,500, 4,000 pre-order. I brought it to my own group. I don't know how much I posted, 2,600. And I said MOQ in less than 24 hours. In less than 24 hours.